But yeah, I just thought...
my god! Slay on the packaging. Hello everyone and welcome to the Bootses
Make Magic Gift Swap.
I'm Will.
And I'm Soph.
And today we have some really, really exciting gifts to give to each other. I'm really, really excited about this one because this is my favourite thing ever. It's the Elemis Christmas set. You get the cleanser, you get the marine cream, you get the eye cream. This is such a good Christmas set.
I love Elemis. It's such a nice brand. You know what? I actually do use some of these products already, I'm pretty sure. But this is so nice.
Have you used that cleansing balm?
Yeah, that is such a good cleansing balm.
Ever.
Oh wow, look at rolls. And then all the little minis are in here. Actually, I say they're minis. They're actually quite a good size.
You get a lot of product.
So we've got a body cream in here.
And it smells so good.
There's a shower cream.
And then these are like the marine cream, moisturizer, and then also the eye cream as well inside the Christmas set.
And then obviously the very famous Elemis cleansing balm, which is so good for getting off your makeup.
Melts the makeup.
Oh, amazing. Thank you, Will.
You're welcome.
Very nice. Okay, so the first thing that I have picked out for Will is actually one of my favourite products.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yes! This is the Made by Mitchell curve case, which is, it's got cream bronzers, cream contours, cream blushes, and there's loads of really nice shades in there. They do it in different shades as well. This one is the light one, but they're so nice and so creamy.
I love this. This is my favourite thing ever. So happy. Yay. Thank you, Soph.
You're welcome.
Okay, my turn. Oh, wow. I know, I'm in my wicked, that's in my head and I can't get that out of my head. But yes, if you're a fan of Ariana Grande, this perfume.
I love this, actually. I love all of the Ariana fragrances. Yeah, I've definitely used this before, but this one comes with a little mini, that's so cute. This is the Ariana Grande Cloud fragrance.
It smells so good. I knew she'd like this.
If nobody's seen already, which I'm sure you probably have by now, but me and Will got to be in the Boots Christmas advert as little elves. We had our elf ears, we had our hair done, makeup done, the full elf outfits, which was so fun and such a cool experience. And it was just very magical, wasn't it? Okay, so in here,
oh, I love it.
We've got the full size and this really adorable little mini one that is so cute.
The cloud.
Let me give it a little smell.
So
it smells so nice. It's got a sweet, kind of coconutty sort of scent.
Very, very fresh.
Yeah, but it's also got, that fresh kind of mix in there as well.
I think I'd buy it just for the packaging.
Cute. Yeah, and obviously it looks so nice on display.
It's so cute.
So, we'll just take this out.
It's quite a luxury bottle.
It's really nice. Can you smell that? Do you want some?
That smells so nice. Yeah, I would love some.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it smells so good.
I highly recommend if you're into your sweet fragrances, this is such a good one. And also, it's pretty affordable too. So yeah, thank you so much. I love that. Okay, so this is a little Drunk Elephant skincare set.
Oh, I love.
Which I know that you mentioned that you love Drunk Elephant. This has got lots of little minis in here. So it's called the Littles set.
Let's open this up. Oh, the bag! Oh, I love this.
They are so cute.
Okay, so here is a little peptide cream moisturizer, the Hydra Serum, the Jelly Cleanser, and then also the Night Serum. I love, it's so colourful as well. What's this, what's in here? So in here, you have the Day Serum, and then also another serum as well. So if you know someone that's like into skincare, definitely recommend this little skin bundle. It's so tiny, so cute, great for traveling. Thank you, Soph.
You're welcome.
Okay, is it my turn?
Yep,
it's my turn. The last one. This is the number 7 Lip and Cheek Glow Set.
Love.
And I love that you can like literally hang this on the tree, stocking filler. Like it's so freaking cute.
It's so cute. You know what? I was actually saying yesterday that number 7 have really upped their game. And I mean, obviously their products have always been iconic, but recently they've launched this new liquid blush, which have you tried it yet?
Yeah, it's so good.
It's so nice. And I think in here, it looks like
it's a very universal shade as well.
There's a lip gloss in here and a liquid blush. I love a liquid blush. Okay, so in here, we have got the number 7 Pro Artist Luminous Glow Lip Shine, which that sounds like a bit of me. Oh, that's really pigmented actually. Very nice.
Ooh, looks really similar to what you're wearing now.
Yeah, it does. Should I put a little bit on?
I think we should.
I don't have a mirror, so.
Oh, wow. That looks like your lipstick shade. Oh, wow. That looks so nice.
It feels good. It feels like a glossy kind of cream formula, which is lovely.
And then is that like a matching cheek like blush?
It seems like the matching blush for it, which is perfect. So let me just give this a little swatch as well. But if you haven't tried these number 7 liquid blushes, they're really nice.
It's a nice shade.
Yeah, really nice. And it matches the lip perfectly. So Thank you, Will.
Very you, peachy.
Very me, very me. So, on to the last gift,
The last one.
which is for Will. This is
Oh, I love a bit of Tom Ford.
a Tom Ford fragrance.
I love me a bit of Tom Ford.
It's very luxury.
Very luxury.
But yeah, I just
Oh
thought,
my god! Slay on the packaging. So cute.
it's very classy, isn't it?
Ooh. Oh, that smells like very woody. I love. Can you smell that?
I love, that's so nice. Yeah,
Smells
it's
so
got it
good.
from here. That is a strong fragrance, but in a really good way.
Love this. Thank you. This smells amazing. So, Christmas is soon. What makes Christmas magical for you?
So obviously when we were chatting earlier, I was saying to Will that just something that makes my Christmas magical is my friends and family, which I'm sure a lot of people feel the same, but just what I love about Christmas is everybody sort of coming together. I have some family that live in different parts of the country, and then when everybody comes together at Christmas, it's just so nice to see everyone and eat good food. Yeah.
I feel like it's everyone coming together. I think for me, I was telling you yesterday, like in my Latino household, we like celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. So when it's 12 p.m, we all then open our presents, and that's kind of how we do Christmas. And it's like just everyone not having work and just being able to spend that time together. Yeah,
Oh,
I
that's
love
really
that.
cute. Christmas is one of my favourite times of year, so I'm
Same.
very excited.
Thank you so much for watching this amazing gift swap.
Hopefully this gave you some inspiration for some Christmas gifts, and if you want to see any more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel. Bye!